In today's modern world, soldiers, sailors, and air crews of the Canadian Armed Forces must be fully capable of operating across the full spectrum of operations. They must be equally able to conduct warfighting, peace enforcement, peacekeeping, provide humanitarian assistance, and at times a number of these simultaneously. This dynamic and complex environment dictates the requirement for the best and the most comprehensive training possible. Canada's Peace Support Training Centre, or PSTC, is a joint interagency and multinational training establishment which provides specific individual training to prepare selected members of the Canadian Armed Forces, federal government departments, and foreign military personnel for full-spectrum operations. Established in July of 1996, the original role of PSTC was to deliver pre-deployment training for Canadian Armed Forces members deploying on peace support operations, or PSOs, and for the provision of PSO training assistance to Canadian and international organizations. PSTC continues to keep pace with today's operating environment and delivers world-class training that reflects the requirements of changing threats. With a permanent staff of 58 personnel from the Canadian Army, the Royal Canadian Navy, and the Royal Canadian Air Force, and from both the regular and reserve forces, PSTC delivers training to more than 1,400 students annually. Since the accreditation of its signature course, the United Nations Military Expert on Mission in 1998, PSTC's mandate has expanded to include individual training for information operations, psychological operations, and civil-military cooperation. PSTC provides hazardous environment training for heads of mission, diplomats, and police services. As well, they provide Canadian Armed Forces personnel with training in security force capacity building for those deploying in an advisory role to host nation security forces. Language cultural advisor training is also provided for select trusted interpreters. As an internationally recognized training center, PSTC achieves strategic impact through its domestic and international partners. For peace support operations, PSTC attends conferences for the International Association of Peacekeeping Training Centers, the Association of Asia-Pacific Peace Operations Training Centers, and ALCAPAZ, the Latin American Association of Training Centers for Peace Operations. PSTC also participates in NATO conferences and events relative to the courses that they offer. PSTC's reputation for training excellence is world-renowned. Its instructors regularly travel to other nations to assist with the delivery of training and capacity building. PSTC also hosts foreign instructors and candidates to utilize their vast expertise and experiences. PSTC's state-of-the-art training facilities include 2 simulated United Nations observation posts, a developing world-style village, a mine awareness training area, a 600-meter range, an off-road driving circuit, and a field training area. Located in Kingston, Ontario, PSTC offers students a wide range of activities for their off-duty time, including a UNESCO World Heritage Site, world-class sporting venues, and numerous historic sites. PSTC has a long-standing history of excellence in providing world-class training. For contact information and to learn more about PSTC, visit our website at peacesupport.ca.